Четвертый класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 36, часть 1, страница 78-79. English Starlight for Homework, lesson number 36, part number 1, page number 78-79. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 78. 78. Animal lections. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Выборы животных. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Vote. Weak. Lizard. Panda. Tortoise. Tiger. Parrot. Cheetah. Vote. Weak. Parrot. Lizard. Panda. Tiger. Tortoise. Cheetah. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. How much do you know about animals? Do the quiz and find out. Как много ты знаешь о животных? Выполни викторину и узнай. Number 1. Which animal can sleep standing up? The answer A. Horse. Какой из животных может спать стоя? The answer. Лошадь. Number 2. There is a kind of parrot called A. Tiger parrot. Существует вид попугая, который называется тигровый попугай. Number 3. Which animal is China famous for? The answer D. Tiger. Каким животным знаменит Китай? Ответ D. Tiger. Number 4. Which animal is very slow? The answer A. Snail. Какое животное очень медленное? Улитка. Number 5. Where do you find tigers? The answer B. Asia. Где ты найдешь тигра? Ответ B. В Азии. Number 6. The cheetah can run up to 110 kilometers per hour. Гепард может развить скорость до 110 км в час. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 79. 79. Exercise number 3. Listen, point and repeat. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Bear. Snail. Kangaroo. River. Mountain. Lake. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Choose an animal, answer the questions and talk about it. Факты о животных. Выбери животного, ответь на вопросы и поговори про него. What does it look like? Where does it live? What can it do? What does it eat? The answer. Kangaroo is tall, strong and brown. It's got 2 front legs and 2 strong back legs. It can jump very fast and high. A kangaroo lives in Australia. It eats plants and leaves. Bear is a large animal. It can be white, brown and black. You can find a bear everywhere in the world. A bear can jump, run, swim very well and climb a tree. It eats meat, fish, plants, fruit, berries and honey. Boys and girls, do exercise number 5. Look and complete the crossword. Посмотри и закончи кроссворд. The answer. Number 1, bear. Number 2, panda. Number 3, kangaroo. Number 4, parrot. Number 5, tortoise. Number 6, cheetah. Number 7, lizard. Number 8, tiger. Number 9, snail. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.